Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
The COVID-19 Vaccine Introduction Toolbox equips all countries to prepare for and implement COVID-19 vaccination by providing guidance, tools, and training. This toolbox is intended to support ministries of health, health workers, partner organizations, and other stakeholders.
Take our lead.
Severe Acute Respiratory Syndrome Coronavirus 2, SARS-CoV-2, is a novel severe acute respiratory syndrome coronavirus. It was first isolated from 3 people with pneumonia connected to the cluster of acute respiratory illness cases in Wuhan. All structural features of the novel SARS-CoV-2 virus particle occur in related coronaviruses in nature.
Make your mark, take our lead.
The first known infections from SARS-CoV-2 were discovered in Wuhan, China. The original source of viral transmission to humans remains unclear, as does whether the virus became pathogenic before or after the spillover event.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.